You're at a no-heat call and you check the manual reset controls. These include the low water cutoff, high temperature limit, and 2 gas pressure switches. The gas pressure switches, crucial components in a boiler operation, play a significant role. The burner suddenly starts when you depress the gas pressure switch on the gas drain. It's located just past the gas pressure regulator. The second boiler also starts when the same gas pressure switch is pushed on it. What caused the boilers to trip? Welcome, friends, to the Boiler Room Detective Channel. I'm your host, Ray Wolfworth. Today we're discussing gas pressure switches on a boiler. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newbie, I hope you learned something new from the video. Some commercial boilers use gas pressure switches to shut off the boiler if the gas pressure feeding the boiler is too low or too high. These controls, aptly named low gas pressure switch and high gas pressure switch, are important to have a safely operating boiler. If the gas pressure is too low, the boiler may not have enough energy to heat the building. Low gas pressure can cause flame failures and nuisance shutdowns. In my opinion, high gas pressure is more dangerous than low gas pressure, as it could cause the boiler to soot. If the gas pressure is below the set point on the low gas pressure switch, the burner will shut off and won't restart until the reset button is pushed and the gas pressure in the gas drain is above the set point. If the gas pressure is higher than the high gas pressure switch set point, it again will shut off the burner and won't start until the pressure drops below the set point and the manual reset button is pushed. So what should we set these pressure switches for? The low gas pressure switch should be set for half of the rated gas pressure of the burner. You may find the rated gas pressure on the burner tag or in the burner manual. If you look at the burner tag above, you will see the rated gas pressure for this burner is 4.2 inches of water column. The low gas pressure switch should be set for 2.1 inches. If you divide the 4.2 by half, you'll get 2.1. The burner will shut off if the gas pressure drops below 2.1 inches. The high gas pressure switch should be set for 1.5 times the burner's rated pressure. 4.2 inches times 1.5 equals 6.3 inches of water column. The burner will shut off if the gas pressure is above 6.3 inches water column. The low gas pressure switch is typically mounted on the gas drain, just past the gas pressure regulator and before the electric safety shutoff valves. The high gas pressure switch is typically mounted on the burner head or the gas drain directly before entering the burner. It should be downstream of the safety shutoff and modulating valves. The gas pressure switches should be vented to the outside. They can be combined with the gas pressure regulator vent. As part of the boiler preventive maintenance, the gas pressure switches should be checked to verify they work. The low gas pressure switch is easier to check, as you can just shut off the upstream gas valve, the manual one. I would recommend a manometer be attached to the piping so you can see the actual gas pressure where the switch opens or closes. The high gas pressure switch takes a bit longer to test, as I will watch the manometer and lower the setting on the control. If either gas switch does not open, they should be replaced. This testing process ensures the switches are functioning as they should, contributing to the safe and efficient operation of the boiler. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you would like to contact me, my contact information is here. In addition, I have 2 websites. Brewingwithsteam.com is focused on steam systems for breweries and distilleries. It includes a monthly blog about steam issues inside a brewery. My other site is fireiceheat.com. It's my company's website and shows some of our capabilities. My boiler books are available on Amazon. My technical articles are included in these industry publications. Thanks for stopping by Boiler Room Detective, and I'll see you on the next case.